My video is about removing the unwanted browser extension called AI image of the day. This is the extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser, and the trouble with this extension is that it actually operates as a browser hijacker. If it gets installed into the Google Chrome browser, it would change a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. So if you are not happy with all these amendments into the way the browser functions, you need to get rid of this unwanted extension. Access the menu, menu, more tools, then choose extensions. And then if you find this extension, you need to get rid of this extension called AI image of the day. Of course, this video is only for the educational purposes. So if you find this extension, remove it from the list. You don't need it. Finally, my recommendation is that you also scan your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. By going to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.